In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Siri not talking, speaking on iPhone. Let's see what's the problem exactly. Hey Siri, what time is it? As you can see, Siri only showing the result, not speaking loudly. Now I'll show you how you can easily fix this issue. Go to your iPhone settings. In iPhone settings, you have to tap on Siri. In Siri settings, tap on Siri responses. And here, spoken responses. If you selected prefer silent responses, then you will face this kind of errors. So we have to select here prefer spoken responses, or you can select automatic. Once you select it any of these two options, now let's see how it works. Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 2:58 p.m.
Hey Siri, what time is it?
It's 2:58 p.m.
So that's how you can actually fix this problem. Thanks for watching.